Y'all want to know where I be getting my free products from? Just stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you where I be getting them from. Of course, I be getting my stuff from Influencer. I've gotten all kinds of stuff to try for free. It was clothing, food, toys, perfume, makeup, you name it, they send it, it's free. All right, so I'm saying all that to say is I have a product that they wanted me to test and give my honest review on. All right, so this product, it is a sample, but bigger than the other samples. This is Lancome Idol Power. Let's try it. All right, so right out the box, here is the cute. See, that's what I'm saying. This is definitely way more than a sample size. I actually have a sample to show you, but this is better. So just in case you're wondering, this is a sample. I got this from Charlotte Tilbury. They sent me a sample. So yeah, definitely get way more in this bottle. All right, let's go ahead and test her out. Let's see what she's giving. But I want to say it's floral, a little woody maybe. Oh, it smells so good though. It is a strong fragrance. I want to say not work. Don't wear it to work. This is definitely date night, hanging out with the girls, spending time with yourself. But I feel like it's too strong to wear to the office. And if you work from home like me, you just want to smell good, then yeah. Oh, it smells amazing. I love it. So if you're interested in purchasing or smelling it, this is the name. And if you're interested in signing up for Influencer, I'm going to put my link in the bottom. You don't have to use it. I'm just throwing it out there. It's absolutely free. You don't need the credit card. You don't need anything. Just your name, your address, and of course it wants you to link your social medias because some products, they will want you to do a review on TikTok, Instagram. I haven't done too many on Facebook, mainly TikTok and Instagram. Sometimes when you do get makeup, they'll want you to do it to like Ulta, Sephora, so you'll have to create accounts and stuff like that if you don't have one. But it's really, really cool. It's really cool. Right now, I am waiting for these products right here. I'm getting a whole nightstand. I'm getting a cute little 8-inch doll for my daughter. It's first come, first serve pretty much. So when you get the notification, you got to grab it, and then that's it. You wait for it to come. It'll tell you in the description where it wants you to post it. You give your honest review, and boom. As long as it gives you a time frame as well. So as long as you stay within the time frames and you post your reviews, they'll throw another survey out there, and you can keep it going. Who doesn't like free stuff? Why would this be a thought? Why would you not want free things? So go ahead and sign up, get you some stuff, and check this out too, because I really like it. I'm not, listen, one thing about me is I ain't gonna fake. If I don't like it, I don't like it. This smells good. Yeah, it smells good.